So hi, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use descriptive statistics in Excel for quick data analysis and also get good insights. So here I have some database that we are going to use. We have the online ads and we have the revenues here. So for us to do a descriptive statistics, we can even use formulas to calculate the average, the sums and the maximum values, but for us to do it quickly, we will still use the data analysis tool. So we will click on it like this, but for this case, we will go for descriptive statistics. We click on it, then we click OK. Then this input range, we will select the whole data. So we'll select the whole data from here downwards, like that, up to there. Then we have labels in our first row. Then the outputs, we will put it somewhere like, let me scroll up, somewhere like here. Then we can just go ahead and also mark the summary statistics. We click on it like that. Then we click OK. Then you can see we have our data here. And in this data, we can see we have the mean, we have the mode, the medium, the minimum, and the maximum values. So that's how you can do descriptive statistics in Excel for quick data insights. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe, you share, and you like so that I can create more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.